What's going on, everyone? Just do a quick trade recap on the two trades I took on Nasdaq earlier today. So just to go into the overall structure we had today, we were overall bullish. We had this 4 hour gap that I wanted to see how we want to respect off of actually two 4 hour gaps, as you can see right here and here. I wanted to see if we wanted to dig deeper into the second fair value gap on the 4 hour, or if we just wanted to bounce off of it, which obviously we just bounced off of it. So overall was bullish. We have all-time highs right here marked out. So overall, I wasn't really looking to short this close to all-time highs, and especially with this bounce. I was assuming I'm probably just going to shoot straight towards there the rest of the week. So hopping down to the trade we took, I'll hop down to the 1 minute. So first I'll mark out market open real quick. We basically just sawed off the beginning of market open right here, this blue line. Started selling off, saw some good buying pressure, saw some good V-shaped recovery. We did sweep out London lows first, which was our first liquidity draw. I wanted to see get swept. But we did sweep ES as well. So once we swept that, I started looking for entries to look up for longs, which this first one was right here. So let me put London session on here. So you can see London's right here, ended up sweeping, came all the way down here, came down to the CE of the 4 hour. Make this a bit smaller so it shows. Came down to the CE of the 4 hour, respect off of it, bounced off of it perfectly and V-shaped, which I loved. And then started creating some 1 minute fair value gaps. So I looked for longs right here, took my first entry right here, which obviously you can see got stopped out. So I took it right around here, stops down here, and then was targeting all-time highs, excuse me. Mark that out correctly. I had multiple take profits. I wasn't just targeting all-time highs. First take profit was around 340, I want to say. Yeah, right around 340. Second take profit was Asia high, which I will put back on the screen real quick. Asia high is 370, 366, and then all-time high. So I had three take profit levels. But first, just wanted to see that 340 get swept. So hopping down to the trade we took, had multiple bullish fair value gaps in the upside. Again, like we saw, we got a V-shaped recovery, swept London lows, bounce off the C of the 4 hour. So overall was good structure. Entered longs right here. As you can see, we got stopped out immediately. Really only critique I have for this first trade was we should have waited for the 5 minute to close first. The whole trade idea was we were going to create this 5 minute fair value gap right here, which obviously we did end up creating. So I front ran the gap, which ended up getting me stopped out for around $200 loss. So pretty small loss. I was only risking two micros, so pretty small risk. Again, today, even my second trade I took only risked two micros. Overall today, we're kind of in the middle of a range right now, so I'm not trying to be risking too heavy. I just want to see what the market wants to do in the first place. So that's the reason for the low risk. Definitely tomorrow, Thursday, and Friday will be upping the risk because we have our clear direction now. But yeah, again, $200 loss. It is what it is. Let me take this out here real quick. So that was the first trade. Second trade, I wanted to see us come down, dig deeper, and manipulate more into the 4 hour, which we had these relative equal lows right here, which we ended up sweeping. And then again, respecting the C of the 4 hour gap. So swept that, created an SM2 with ES, swept relative equal lows, respected the CE, and V-shaped out. Pretty much an A+ setup right here, honestly. And then let me get rid of this 5 minute gap. And then we had this 5 minute bearish gap as well, which we ended up inversing. And once we inverse this, I entered on here. So let me get this pulled up real quick. I believe my entry was 232. Let me just double check real quick. It's not showing on here. Whatever. Anyways, you can see the buy order, but it was around 232 I entered. Once we got this retest, kept stops just below at 201, below the low, and we're selling off right now. And then again, had the same target. So same target was 340. right here, and then we had Asia, which is around 366, and then all-time highs right here. But basically, second trade was pretty straightforward for the most part. Again, we had the same target, just had a better entry, better setup. Again, respected the CE, swept relative equal lows, SM2 ES, inverse 5 minute fair value gap, and then basically straight to the upside. Only thing with this trade is I did move my stop to in profit. So I'm getting stopped in profit right around I want to say it's 369, somewhere around there, but got stopped out in profit. It is what it is. We still secured around 30 points to 40 points, whatever that is. And yeah, we ended up basically break even on the day. We're down $37 on my Top Step and Apex account, but it is what it is. I'm not sure why it's not showing on here. There you go. Now it's showing. Down $36. Let's see if it shows my orders. No, still not showing orders. Oh well. But yeah, we got stopped out here. Only thing I would have changed was I shouldn't have taken my first trade. Again, I did front run that 5 minute gap. Second trade, had I not front ran my first trade, I wouldn't have taken it. This would have been my only trade, and I wouldn't have set my stop to in profit. I would have set my stop to break even, which would have left me in this entire trade. Let me catch, what was this? 232, 349, over 100 points. So it is what it is. We've got 100 points. Vice was correct. Model was correct. Just moved my stop to in profit. So it is what it is. But break even on the day was a very light day anyway. So it's only risking 2 micros. So tomorrow we'll get back at it. We'll definitely be risking anywhere from 5 to 10 micros, going for those bigger plays. Definitely towards all-time highs eventually, especially with that red folder news on Friday. Should be a pretty stacked day. But overall, one loser, one winner in profit, ended up breaking on the day. Quick trade session, real quick. I do see us selling off real quick. I want to see if I can catch a quick move on ES. Let's see, where is this? To be live trading real quick, risking. Let's go 8. I don't know if I'll get answered. I might just start selling off. Fuck, I might miss my entry. Please fill me. Pause. Come on, fill me, bro. Again, pause, but come on. There we go. Quick entry. We are selling off pretty hard. I'm not gonna lie. I'm keep stops. Keep it right there for right now. Just a quick trade I want to see if we can catch. We are selling off pretty hard, so I just want to see if we can short this real quick. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Don't really care. But let's see how this shit works real quick. Let's see what IQ's doing. Honestly, probably should have taken this on NQ. NQ is definitely a lot. Is NQ weaker? Oh yeah, NQ is for sure weaker. Oh well. Yeah, we're definitely bearish short term, at least right here real quick. So let's see if I can catch a quick short. Want to target these lows right here. Should be a pretty straightforward trade. So we'll see if this hits real quick. Fuck it. Let's see how this does. I'll take see, I'll probably take partials right here. Come on, dump, bro. Keep on dumping. Dump for daddy. Pause. Let's keep on dumping, please. Pretty please. Get the music going real quick. Come on, bro. Keep on dumping. All right, let's get the music going. The music usually helps it. Let's see. Let's see. Actually, fuck partials, bro. We don't take partials. We're going for full take profit, bro. LTV, come on. Bro, what am I doing? Come on, don't, bro. Bro, make me my money back for that shit I missed this morning. Let's go, bro. Don't. Don't for daddy. Pause. Pause. Just keep on dumping. Dump all the way. Dump all the way. Don't even start reversing. If you start reversing, I'm getting out. Fuck you. Actually, I'm moving my shit to right here. I don't really trust this. Bro, fuck this fucking. What is happening? Come on, just don't. Almost there, bro. I mean, what can I say? What can I say? That's what we do. That's what we fucking do, boy. Finally back in profit on the day. Thank you. Up 235. We'll take that. I mean, what can I say? That shit was too fucking free, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I was literally turn the shit off. I was just in the middle of making my trade recap on how I got sucked out and break even on the day. So you'll see that right before this because I'll post this after. Maybe I'll post it before. I don't know. We'll see. But I mean, that shit was so free, bro. Like that ass. If you can't see that trade and take it, that's on you. And we got that shit perfectly down there. But I was just watching my other screen because I was dead ass just recording my trade recap on this screen. I have multiple screens, by the way. I have like 4 screens, but I was recording my trade recap on this screen. I just see this, and even in the video, I'm pretty sure I'm like, damn, we're selling off right now. I just see it on the screen, bro. This shit's so fucking perfect. Like that actually was the easiest fucking trade I've taken, bro. And what was that? 3 minutes? How long have I been recording? 5 minutes? 8 minutes? Whatever. Like, bro, that shit was so free, bro. 1 minute bearish fair value gap. Let me mark this out real quick. 1 minute bearish fair value gap. Came down here, retested right here, or not retested right here. Fuck, I can't talk. Fuck. 1 minute bearish fair value gap. Came back, barely retested. I honestly thought we were gonna dig deeper and like at least retest the consequent encroachment of the gap, but man, we didn't even do that. And then just took shorts. I wanted entry right here, but we didn't get entry, but we still banged. Pause. But that shit was so free. I mean, bearish order flow, came back, retest, and then just continuation model off that bearish gap, targeted right here. Glad I moved my take profit because look at that. Literally got that shit perfectly, but easy bread right there. Again, light risk. Now we're up 235, whereas break even before. Now we're up 235, so we'll take that on the funded. As you can see, this is not an eval. I mean, what can I say? What can I say? Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Go hit the gym, touch grass, talk to God, make bread. We go get right back at it. We're done for the day. Finally, we're in profit for the day. We're gonna trade gold later tonight. Nah, we're in profit. We'll be back tomorrow. We'll catch a banger tomorrow. And that's it. Thank you for watching.